If you would like to learn how to make this mask, then follow this beginner-friendly tutorial. Start with a rectangle shape of 38 by 20 centimeters on your fabric of choice. Then, fold it in half, like so, and iron in order to mark the center. Turn on the other side. Fold and iron 1.5 centimeter on each edge. Then bring one side to the center fold. Iron and fold the same side again towards the center fold. Open it. Now we have created different folds. Mark at least the middle folds with scissors in order to help you with the placement. Take the last fold towards the second and iron. Then take the third fold back to the second and iron like so. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Now you should have something like this. Get two elastics and place them like so. Use some pins to secure them. Pin down the middle openings and iron. Next, fold in your project and make sure the edges are matching. Then iron. Now, hand sew along the edges by 1 centimeter, just like where I'm marking. If you have a sewing machine, use it for this part. If you are sewing by hand, make sure your thread is tight and secured. Finally, turn your project inside out and we are finished. Now, watch me making it in the actual fabric. In order to make the mask more effective, you must use filters. Cut a small sample, double it, and place it inside. This mask is washable. However, you must remove and throw away a filter after each use. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. See you in the next video. Bye guys!